What's going on, guys? Your 40 Brothers here, and today we're doing a video that you guys have been asking for a long time. We're going to be doing a detailing video, if you can't tell by the title of this video.
Well, technically we're not detailing today.
Well, technically not detail, but we're going to show you how to properly wash a black car, and we're going to be using our E350. We just got it back from service. It's been in storage for the last 3 years.
Yeah. So it's a little dusty, not really dirty.
It's not dirty because we keep it under cover. We, wipe it down, but it's dusty. See, it hasn't been washed in 3 years. Like I said, it's been in storage. So it hasn't been washed in 3 years. It's just dusty. Yeah,
so we're gonna show you guys how to properly wash it and minimize swirls. Now, let me clear one thing up. It's impossible to wash a car and not get any type of swirl marks at all. I mean, even the most professional detailers are gonna tell you, you wash a car, chances are you're gonna get some type of swirls, maybe a few here and there or something, but
we're gonna minimize
our goal is to try to minimize the amount of swirling we do on this.
Yeah, because this, we babied the hell out of this, and it's pretty good condition,
Not just that, a black car doesn't look good with
Yeah,
swirls.
it doesn't look good with swirls.
Let's be real, come on.
So we're gonna show you what we do, just a simple wash on a black car. So
you can use this process for all cars, that's what we do.
And for anyone in the comments that's gonna start, we're not professionals, but we've been doing this since we were, what, grade school?
Yeah, we've been detailing cars for a long time.
Hell,
so
we didn't even...
Not professionals, but pretty close.
Yeah, we couldn't even drive. We had to have our parents move the cars around in the driveway so we can wash and detail the cars. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, Matt, tell them what we're gonna use for this.
All right, guys, in case you're wondering what kind of soap we're using, we're gonna be using Chemical Guys Maxi Suds today. Usually, we usually cycle through Maxi Suds, Mr. Pink, and Honeydew, or what's it called, Honeydew?
Yeah, I think.
The Honeydew one's awesome. We like this one too. This one costs a little bit less. Still does a fantastic job.
Not sponsored by Chemical Guys.
Yeah, not sponsored by Chemical Guys.
Be nice.
We use all their products, them and McGuire's. But yeah, so we're gonna be using this to wash the car. And in case you can't tell, it's extremely sunny outside and you don't wanna wash your car directly in the sunlight. So that's why we're doing it here in the garage.
Power washer, obviously.
Yeah, the audio might not be the best. It might, not sound very good, but we're gonna be snow foaming this car. So if you guys enjoy this little edit. All right, so first thing is first, Nick's gonna start out by spraying off the car. A lot of people like to just put the snow foam directly on the car, but the problem is if you don't get some of that loose contamination off first, you can increase your chances of swirling. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by spraying off anything that might be like loose dirt on the paint, any of that loose crap. We're gonna get that all off so the car is nice and prepped for snow foam.
All right, the next thing you're gonna do after you hose down the entire car to get any of the large stuff off, we're gonna start doing the wheels first, and we have our dedicated wheel bucket right here, and I'll let Matt show you guys what to do.
Well, technically what you're supposed to do is if you're washing in direct sunlight, the best thing to do is to do your wheels first without spraying the car, that way the water doesn't dry and make watermarks. Because we're in the garage, we don't really have to worry about that, so we sprayed the whole car off. But yeah, so the first thing is we're gonna do all the wheels and have them completely done before we start doing any type of snow foam. So yeah, we have our dedicated wheel bucket here, and
what kind of tools we have in the wheel bucket? Let's
we got a variety of stuff in here. We have all kind of Chemical Guys brushes. We have, it's probably hard to see now, all this soap. We have this one.
That's good for the outsides of the rims.
We have longer brushes. You can't even see them with all the soap. If you're trying to reach inside the barrel of the wheel, we have, oh man, where are they all? We have this brush here for, for lug nuts, stuff like that. This is perfect for getting in all these little tight grooves and stuff like that. So, I mean, we got another one in there too somewhere.
I said there should be another one in there. I might have forgot it, but it's basically does the same thing as the long one that Matt showed.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock out these wheels now.
That's good to get the AMG symbol too, look.
Yeah, getting all those little grooves. And these are, very soft, so there's no, you're not gonna scratch the wheel at all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock out these wheels, and we'll be back to you guys in a second. All right, so now that we have the wheels all done, we're gonna go ahead and snow foam the car. And for those of you who aren't too familiar with the 2-bucket method, it's another great way to help prevent swirl marks on a car. And so basically what it is one bucket, as you can see, is gonna have all of our soap in there. The other one, the red one next to it, is just filled with fresh, clean water. And basically what we're gonna do is, as we use the sponge on the car, it gets dirty, just dunk it in the clean water, get the loose dirt off, and then you can put it back in the soap and hopefully reduce swirl marks. So
let's go ahead and start the snow foaming process.
Yeah, let's start snow foaming. All right, so as you can tell, the car is completely clean. Maybe you can't tell, but nonetheless.
Picture, Matt.
Yeah, I know. But anyways, now it's time to dry the car off. And for those of you who think, oh, let me use an old T-shirt or maybe an old bath towel or
that's
something.
the worst, a bath
to
towel.
dry the car off.
Beach towel, sand in it.
You might as well dry your car off with sandpaper. It's basically the same effect. You're gonna scratch the heck out of your paint. What we like to do is we like to start off by blow drying the car with one of these.
This is a little blower from Chemical
Yeah.
Guys. No, we're sponsored once again. We
Yeah.
just like their products.
Yeah.
But this blower works great. We usually do the whole car.
Yeah.
If you're in the garage, you can do it. If you're outside, you're gonna be racing with the sunlight.
Yeah, it's
But,
gonna be hard, but.
if you don't like using
Yeah.
this, you also have this towel.
Well, the best thing to do is to blow dry the whole car and then get all the heavy water off. Then you can go buy with one of these microfiber towels. Now this isn't like your standard microfiber towel. This one is actually made specifically for drying off cars. Hold it up, Nick.
This
I mean,
big.
it's a huge towel.
Yeah.
And it can hold up to, I think, a gallon of water, so you'll be able to get all that water off the car. And it's super soft, so there's no chances of scratching the paint. The edges on it are all smooth, so you're not gonna, you know, do any type of marring or anything. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get this car dried off, and we'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done.
All right, guys, so we just finished drying off the whole car. The car looks good. And now we're gonna go ahead and detail this, but that's gonna be a whole nother video down the road. But for you guys who have just washed a car, we recommend using spray wax for those who had just previously waxed the car.
Yeah.
Just in order to
It'll help prolong the life of the wax on the car.
Yeah, you don't have to. If it's just a weekly wash, whatever you guys do after, but we're just saying we recommend, we're gonna go ahead and wax this, do a full detail on this, put the good stuff on it.
Yeah, keep in mind, if your car is extremely dirty or muddy, our wash techniques might not work for your car, but for a car like this that was just basically dusty or not too dirty, it's absolutely perfect. So go ahead and give it a try. Let us know what you think in the comments, and yeah, basically.
Yeah, we've been doing this method for years, and we, hardly any swirl marks on this.
Yeah.
So you guys go ahead and give it a try. Leave some, if you guys have any questions, put them down in the comments.
Positive comments.
Positive comments. Negatives you guys can leave on somebody else's channel.
Yeah.
But until next time, like this video, share it, watch it multiple times, do whatever you want to do. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Check us out on Instagram at the Conforti Brothers also. Until then, we'll see you guys next time.